Hi, are you facing this error? Then don't worry, I got an easy fix for you. If this video helped you, don't forget to help me by clicking subscribe button and like button. First, press the window button and type command prompt or CMD and run it as administrator. Now run this command sfc scan now, and once the command is executed, the error should be fixed. But if it doesn't, then you can go to the next solution, which is going to this link, and this link is given in description. So click on the download and choose your server, and once the file is downloaded, extract it. And after extracting, just install the packages and click yes. And once it is installed, go and check if your error is fixed or not. I hope it is fixed, but if it doesn't, then move on to the method number 3. The link is given in the description, but you have to find this process monitor and download the process monitor from this link. And once the file is downloaded, you need to extract it and run the file of Procman, and after it you will find this window. Now click on the file, capture events, and click here on this icon, and now click on the filter icon. Now filter by process name, and then you need to copy the error name here and click add and OK. And if the error still persists, now you can go to the capture event again and select this process and click on this highlight not found. Now check this path. You have to find these files which is highlighted, and then go to the system32 of your Windows by using this path, and you can also search it here. You have to find this file and just delete it and go to the Windows folder and find the syswow64 folder, and you have to delete this file from here. And after it, install the DirectX. First download it from Google, and once it is downloaded, install it. Uncheck the install Bing bar option and click next. So good so far. Wait for the installation to complete. Once it is installed, click on finish, and your error should be fixed now, and you can launch your Epic Game Launcher, or if any other launcher having this problem, and it should be fixed. So thank you so much for watching the video. If this video helped you, don't forget to help me by clicking subscribe button and like button.